Hello, welcome to the Repair Specialist, and in this video I shall be showing you how I remove a Welch plug from a carburettor without using a drill or any power tools at all. And the reason I'm sharing this is about being a little more versatile in the workshop. And it's about being able to get on with the job and complete what you're doing should the drill not be available for some reason. It's either broken or you haven't got one. It's as simple as that really. But please remember, I'm just showing you the way I do it if I haven't got a drill available. And I'm not implying that you must do it. You've got to decide that for yourself. So please watch this video to gain some ideas and follow it should you wish to. And the way I remove them without using a drill is to use a self-tapping screw, and I shall use this one to remove mine. We just simply place the screw onto the Welch plug like that and tap the top of the screw with an hammer. And we do so just enough to sink the head of the screw there, just a couple of millimeters, into the actual Welch plug itself. And from there we take the Phillips screwdriver and continue to screw the screw into the Welch plug. And as the screw continues to screw through the soft metal, you'll soon find that it will touch the carb body behind it. And as it touches the carb body, it starts to lift off the Welch plug itself, and thus removing it. And if we take a closer look at the end there, we can see the screw sticking through the core plug and how far it went in order for it to push it off its seat. And another benefit of removing the plugs like this is the minimal damage there next to the fuel holes, unlike using a drill sometimes, which can actually physically damage the body as a result of the drill passing through the Welch plug and touching the carb body. Okay, so I hope that's given you a little idea there should you wish to use it, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe so that videos of mine can reach out to other people and help others. Thank you for watching.